Digital marketing refers to marketing done using electronic devices or mediums. Digital marketing is a broader term for all advertising distributed through electronic means. When people hear and talk about digital marketing, it is true that most of them think about different types of internet media, e.g., email, social media, websites, and search engines. Basically, anything connected to the internet through smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktops, etc. Digital marketing can happen both online and offline. Digital marketing can be done both online and offline, and both types are important for a good, smooth digital marketing strategy. Online-based digital marketing is a set of tools and methods used to promote products and services through the internet. Due to the additional channels and marketing systems available on the internet, it has a wider range of marketing elements than conventional business marketing. This is one of the most profitable and successful ways of marketing, such as competitive advantage, huge cost reduction, optimal control, smart communication, improving customer service, increasing potential, etc. Offline-based digital marketing. You've encountered offline digital marketing before and didn't realize it was. Radio and TV marketing is classified as offline digital marketing because it involves electronic devices, but does not require a connection to the internet. Then there is the growth of offline marketing. If you are in a restaurant and order your food using electronic tablets, you are not unfamiliar with offline marketing. This is an enhanced offline marketing experience with a digital device. Electronic billboards are a great example of enhanced offline digital marketing. Until the end, there is phone marketing, otherwise known as cold calling. Many people thought that cold calling was lost, as people can now see their call on the screen. However, cold calling and telemarketers still exist surprisingly well, even bringing sales. Allows businesses of all sizes to enter huge markets at affordable prices. The groups of potential customers available online are much larger than the locally available groups. Using it, you can reach unimaginable audiences that are affordable and measurable. The main advantage of this is that the target audience can be reached very efficiently and quickly. It also increases brand loyalty and sales, such as save money, opportunity to reach the global marketplace, track the response to immediate marketing efforts, ability to communicate with your expectations, learn exactly what your customers are looking for, opportunity to reach more potential customers by spending less than conventional marketing, opportunity to learn more about your audience, allow your customers to know you personally, which can help build brand loyalty.
Subscribe, like, share and comment, please.